5 sports that use AI. Number 1. Football. Getafe, a football club in Spain, has recently implemented Zone 7 into their seasons. Zone 7 is an AI-driven company that takes game day, medical, and training data points and provides assessments that prevents injuries before they occur. Getafe's use of Zone 7 has paid off tremendously, with the club reporting a 70% reduction in injuries per 1,000 hours, 65% reduction in match injuries, and 65% reduction in days lost. Number 2. Rugby. It is sometimes difficult to discern what is happening during rugby games, as the players are supposed to charge into each other and create large dog piles. To analyze and prevent confusion for the referees, highly complex AI video analysis tools help with game calls. Toshiba has introduced a new video and audio analysis software that tracks the game in real time. Using machine learning capabilities, the software tracks the players and the ball, even calling whether a scrum, pass, and tackle has occurred. Number 3. Tennis. Using data points like trajectory of the ball and player movements, a sports AI system developed by researchers at the Queensland University of Technology in Australia predicted whether a shot would be returned or won the round. Data learning technology benefits players in their training by providing a bird's-eye view of the match and predicting the outcomes before they happen. Number 4. Basketball. NBA teams have implemented optical tracking technology like Sports VU to track the finer details during a game to better their playing style. Softwares like Sports VU provide pattern recognition capabilities to predict how the game is played. Sports VU can track a player's movement 25 times per second. The numbers provided by AI benefit coaches and players by improving aspects of the game that would not be visible with the naked eye. Number 5. Baseball. In 2018, umpires in the MLB had missed an average of 14 ball strike calls a game. To combat this inaccuracy, robot umpires have been tested in baseball. TrackMan is designed to sit above home plate and accurately read pitches using a 3D radar Doppler dish. This robotic umpire will also analyze the player's size and create a strike zone based on their height. This combats inaccuracy by providing an umpire with perfect reflexes to see the ball clearly and give unbiased refereeing. Thank you for watching.